Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na tutigyan natin na nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksikiliglig na umapaw ang bumalik sa inyo, no? So, and of course, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat. Umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Capricorn. Ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? There is a 7 of Swords. There is an information na, okay, there's a sneakiness. Nakakasense ako dito na mukhang there's a cheating or lying on you, no? Kumbaga may kumukuha ng information regarding sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo or kumbaga may taong sumusubaybay behind your back. At the same time, there's a tree of life, no? Maraming sanga. So, ibig sabihin, kaugnayan dito, kumbaga, there's family related. So, ibig sabihin dito, kamag-anak mo, no? Kumbaga, there's a cheating lying on you. Ibig sabihin dito, may nagsisinungaling o may tumatraidor sa'yo. So, what is additional messages? And because there's a 6 of Wands, there's a victory and success. No? Magkakaroon ka raw ng success dito at the end of the time. No? There's an accomplishment and success. And of course, there's a victory. And of course, there's a Queen of Cups. Magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing in all aspects. No? Kung ano man yung eksena na yan. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing. Kaugnayan dyan ng love life, career, and health, and finances, kung magkakaroon ka na ng victory dito, and of course, success. And of course, there's a 6 of Swords, a transitions, no? Makakaalis ka na raw sa sitwasyon. Anong sitwasyon ng, anong sitwasyon? Kasi there's an information na nagkakaroon ka ng back and forth, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na ito ay magtutuloy-tuloy na. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, guys, there's a Page of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka ng manifestation or new fresh ideas, no? Kumbaga, magdadala sa'yo sa transformation or transition. Kumbaga, makakaalis ka na that because may mga bagong ideas kang nakuha or may mga bagong ideas na nalaman. At the same time, what is the 7 of Swords? And of course, there's a Queen of Wands. There's a stability. Ibig sabihin dito, it's a mother figure or there's an information na maaaring babae, no? Babae itong nagsisinungaling sa'yo at tumatrader sa'yo or something or kumbaga kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Ganon. So, let's see. That's what is the Tree of Life. There is a Four of Coins. So, marami talagang kaakibat or maraming sanga-sanga pagdating sa finance or resource of income mo, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, protectionan mo yung grounds mo, either your finances, no? Kumbaga may nagsisinungaling dito about sa family related mo, or either na kumbaga niloloko ka, no? About sa pera or about sa negosyo nyo or something, no? May niloloko ka dito ng tao na to. It's either your sister, your auntie, your mother or something, or your tita out there, no? There's an information na mukhang may nagsisinungaling sa'yo. Sa Tree of Life kasi is a family related. Kumbaga, sanga-sanga yan ng family. Parang walang pinagkaiba sa family tree yan. So, what is the 6 of Wands? And of course, there's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis daw tong eksena na to, no? Kumbaga, magdadala sa'yo ng mental abilities. And of course, there's a mental clarities. Ganon. And of course, there's a Queen of Cups represented 8 of Swords. Magkakaroon ka na raw ng healing. Kumbaga, see, there's a lot of blockages. There's a lot of negativity around you. Pinalilibutan ka ng mga toxicities. Ibig sabihin dito, it's a mother figure nga talaga. So, it's either you're at, yun nga, sinabi ko, di ba? Basta related siya sa'yo. So, what is the 6 of Swords? There's a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Kailangan unti-unti ka ng kumawala. At the same time, unti-unti ka ng siguro sinasabi na lumipat ka or kailangan mong mag-adjust sa sarili mo, 'di ba, ng paunti-unti. So what is the page of coin? There's the hangman. Sabi sa dito, there's a new perspective. Baguhin mo na yung pananaw mo o baguhin mo na yung pattern or ways nyo, no? So there's a seven of swords and the queen of wands. See, I told you, there's a six of cups. So ibig sabihin talaga, there's a cheating lying on you, no? At kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na there's a family related with the six of cups. Kapatid mo ata to eh. There's a six of cups represent the siblings. So what is the three of life and the four of coin? And of course, there is an eight of cups. So, sinasabi dito na let go, no? Kailangan mo nang kumawala or umalis dyan sa sitwasyon. Kumbaga ano to eh, there's a toxicity around you na, kumbaga, siguro umaasa or something na inaabuso na yung pagiging matulungin mo, ganon. And Capricorn is a super generous person. So, what is the six of wands and of course the nine of swords? And of course, there's a two of cups. There's a partnership, no? Kumbaga, merong partnership din nakaakibat dito. At the same time, what is the queen of cups and the eight of swords? There's and first card, a revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng bagong negosyo or bagong buhay or bagong eksena. So, what is the six of swords and the nine of wands? There's an ace of pentacles. Transition to brings you a new material offer. No, itong bagay na to na bibigay sa'yo na makakaipon ka na ng malaki dito. No, unti-unti ka na nakakaalis sa sitwasyon mo eh. Unti-unti ka na umaalis dyan sa hanay nyo. So, ibig sabihin dito, na nakakawala ka na sa toxicities at the same time, nakakaipon ka na at may tendency na ano sa'yo ng bagong bahay, bagong sasakyan, or bagong, kumbaga, oh my God, there's a 7 digits, no? May nakita ko na 7 digits dito. At the same time, let's see what is the page of coin. And of course, there's the hangman. And of course, there's the word card. There's a travel. Or either, baka nagtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, limitahan mo yung pagbibigay mo, no? Or hindi masamang tumulong or wag lang gawing obligasyon. Or sinasabi sa'yo dito na tumulong ka pero kailangan hindi nila alam yung mga perang savings mo, gano'n. Kasi the more kasi nalalaman nila, the more na inaabuso ka. And of course, there's the word card, there's a travel. May travel ka dito, no? Kailangan mo talaga magpakalayo-layo, gano'n. So, let's see, kasi habang tumatanda ka, nagkakaedad ka. So, at the end of the time, kumbaga, kailangan may ipon ka, may ano ka, kasi walang ibang tutulong sa'yo, kundi sarili mo. Diba? So, let's see what is additional outcome. Oh, see, there's a devil. My God. There's a toxicities talaga, or some of you merong gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, no? There's a negative or there's a black magic involved, that ace of cups, no? Para hindi ka magkaroon ng asawa, jowa, ganon. Kumbaga, pinagawan ka para, di ba, magkaroon ka ng, see, there's a three of sword. Para saktan ka ng mga tao, makikilala mong person, ganon. Kumbaga, para hindi ka magkaroon ng, kumbaga, love life, no? Or partner, para hindi maputol yung, mo sa kanila, ganon. See, there's a palace of wands. There's a burden, obligations. Sabi ko na eh. And of course, there's the wheel of fortune. Umikot na yung kapalaran, power of the deck, no? Kumbaga, nasa sayo na to. Kung kailangan mo mag-take ng action para basagin tong ginawa sa'yo, kasi ginawan ka ng para hindi ka na mag-asawa. Para hindi ka na magkaroon ng love life, lahat ng lalapit sa yung tao or mamahalin mo, lolokohin ka, or either iiwan ka. So, let's see what is the love oracle card. What is the love oracle card? Love oracle card represent a photograph and abundance. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's, kumbaga mayroon sumusubaybay sa'yo, tumitingin sa'yo by social media, sa pictures mo. And of course, there's an I like you. May gusto tong tao to sa'yo. And of course, there's an abundance. No? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan dito. Power. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. Huwag mo hayaan mahuli ang lahat kasi kapag napansin mo na gano'n ang nangyayari sa love life mo, may ginawa sa yung hindi maganda. Ganun yun. Para hindi ka magkaroon ng stable na family, no? Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's deception, temptation. Kasi tuso eh, di ba? Tukso yan eh, parang sinabi sa'yo dito na inano nila parang naabuso, kumbaga inaabuso na nila yung tulong mo, ganon. Kumbaga, kumbaga, ganun talaga. And of course, there's a sin. Spring, kumbaga sinanay mo kasi sila eh. Ganon. Nasanay sila dun sa parang imbis na binigyan mo sila ng bagay na, yun nga, nung parang buto na parang hihintay nilang tumubo, ganto ganyan. Hindi eh. Kumbaga, hinayaan mo sila maging tamad din at the same time. No? Hindi mo sila hinayaan mag-grow sa kanila. Kumbaga, naging ano rin sila, umasa na sila sa'yo. At the same time, there's self-care. See? Kailangan mong pahalagaan mo yung sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? And of course, justice. Don't you worry, there's a justice is here. Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng balance at the same time ng hustisya and good karma. And of course, strength card, confident. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a perseverance, no? Kailangan mo magtiyaga talaga, no? And of course, there's a guilt. Some of you may nagagalit sa'yo or some of you may galit talaga, no? Involvement dito. Or inis, ganun. And of course, there's a forgiveness, na may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan, kumbaga patawarin, no? And of course, there's an isolation. You're feeling isolations. Parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw, parang feeling mo stress ka or feeling mo nasa sitwasyon ka ng mga problema or kumbaga, hindi mo naman dapat pinoproblema pero pinoproblema mo, ganon. So, what is the Monsology? Monsology is expect the powerful change, no? Mag-expect ka ng kumbaga, bigla ang pagbabago, ganon, at it's time to release negativity, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na talagang pakawalan tong negatibong ginawa sa'yo. And of course, emotional running high. Magiging emotional ka dahil hindi mo in-expect na sila pa yung mga taong tinulungan mo, sila pa yung taong tatry doon sa'yo, diba? Naging gahaman siguro sila sa ganong eksena. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a failure. Na kumbaga, minsan, kumbaga, may mga bagay na kumbaga, hindi na isa sa katuparan, may mga pagkakamali ka, syempre tao ka din naman, no? Or there's a human, no? Mistakes, and of course, a regret, and of course, there's rejections or something na failure, flaws, or something, no? Kumbaga, oportunidad yan para matutunan mo lahat ng bagay. Kasi wala ka naman matututunan kung hindi ka nagkamali, diba? At the same time, there's a discipline. Magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo. So, what is the Monsology? What is the Monsology? Monsology represent a give your relationship a chance. Diba? Pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, bigyan mo ng yung sarili mo ng saya at kaligayahan. Getting to know each other. No? Kailangan mong kumilala ng mga taong, diba? Yung magmamahal sa'yo at makakasama mo at the end of the world. Ganon. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's you're not for everyone. O, see? Hindi ka para sa lahat. Para ka lang sa iisang tao. Diba? Weird talaga. And of course, there's a call. Soul gift and training, it's time to step up. See? May regalo sa iyo ang ating mga spirit guides. No? Kailangan mo talagang kumawala na sa mga negativity. I-embrace mo na at buksan mo na ang puso't isip mo at pananaw mo sa magandang magiging outcome ng eksena mo. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo mag-take ng action para at least kaligayahan mo naman. 'Di ba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, survival. No? Kumbaga makaka-survive ka naman dyan. And of course, there's prophecy, premonition. So, ibig sabihin, parang na-sense mo na to or something, diba? Nakita mo na to eh. And of course, there's a self-inventory. You see? Magkaroon ka ng, kumbaga, mag-invest ka sa sarili mo. Parang gano'n, sinasabi dito. Sarili mo naman, diba? So, what is the energy? Energy is action. Kailangan mo mag-take ng action. At the same time, there's a patience, no? There's a time. Diba? Takes time. In time. Time to cycle and progress. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? Organic foods. No, kailangan mo rin mga organic foods. At the same time, romance angels are helping you. Pagdating sa relationship, nandito rin si Archangel Michael para tulungan ka pagdating sa relasyon. And this situation is already resolved. Some of you baka nasolusyonan na, no? Yung problema pinagdaan pagdating sa family issues. So, let's see what is the romance. What is Archangel Raphael? Messages. And of course, diet, is important here. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo mag-diet. Baka nasosobrahan ka na, no? So, kailangan mo ng fruits and vegetable na makakatulong sa'yo for digestive system, na? Para mabilis makapag-digest ng mga foods sa katawan mo. Iwas ka muna sa mga meat. And of course, there's an information, your Heavenly Father know that you have need all of this. Ibig sabihin, alam ni God na lahat ng mga bagay na ay kailangan mo. 'Di ba? So, ikaw naman. So, what is the angel's number? Angel's number is I am wealthy. You are the cups of the prosperous and abundant spiritual life. You will find memory, succeed, and achievement, all of which bring financial na material abundance into your life. So, ibig sabihin, pagdating sa'yo, no, kumbaga, mabilis lang sa'yo ang pere. Kumbaga, kaya siguro ganun ang nangyayari. Kumbaga, naabuso ka lang talaga na maling way nila. And of course, naging tamad lang sila talaga. Or, something na talagang sinanay mo lang talaga, no? Hanggang sa nagkaroon ng ganong attitude sila, no? Imbis na natulungan sila mag-grow on her own or they own, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin dito, ginawa mo lang silang tamad, 'di ba? Imbis na mali kasi yung process mo kung paano tumulong, 'di ba? So ibig sabihin dito, ang at the end of the time naging masama ka pa, 'di ba? So what is the messages of life? Sabihin niya, naging madamot ka pa, kesyo ganito. Hindi nila alam, diba? Sarili mo naman ang tatapagin mo. And letting go. So, kailangan mo talagang kumawala, no? So, sinasabi dito, today I'm remembering that God is within me and around me. I release myself to God, hence, and regain my inner peace. I know God is providing me that which is most beneficial for my soul. I know that God is sending angels to help me face any difficulties that arise. I let go into God will, knowing the best is yet to come. So, ibig sabihin dito, alam mo na, di ba? Kumbaga, nilet go mo na yung mga bagay-bagay. Hindi, iniiwan mo na sa kanya yung control. No? Kumbaga, bahala ka na God. Kumbaga, alam ko, ibibigay mo sa akin kung ano yung deserve ko. Diba? Parang ganun lang. So, guys, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of October 18 hanggang October 24 for the sign of Capricorn. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang samang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, no? Siksik liglig nag-uumapaw ang bumalik sa inyo. And of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, location nyo, kung asan kayo sulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!